Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making sweet breakfast rolls. These rolls, guys, they are my favorite. I like to have them with a cup of tea or coffee. They are soft, fluffy, buttery, deliciously sweet, and irresistible. So let's get started. You know Mama Bee doesn't like to waste time. So let's get right into the ingredients. You'll need bread flour, cinnamon sugar, butter, salt, yeast. I'm using active yeast, milk, eggs. First things first, mix together flour, cinnamon, and salt. Give it a good mix, then set it aside. Dissolve yeast and 1 teaspoon of sugar in warm milk. Give it a good mix, then let stand until forming 5 to 10 minutes. Our yeast is fermented. Now we're gonna add the remaining sugar. Give it a good stir. Just like so, guys. Then we're gonna pour that into the flour. Beat in eggs. Then pour it all in to the flour mixture. Using the wooden spoon, mix everything until the flour is moistened. Turn out the dough onto a floured surface. Now we're gonna add butter. Knead dough until smooth and elastic for 5 to 10 minutes. Adding more flour to prevent sticking. Shape the dough into a round ball. Place it onto a greased bowl, then cover with a damp cloth. It's been 40 minutes. Punch down the dough and knead dough for about 30 seconds. Place it in the working surface and cut into 14 equal pieces. You can eyeball it or use a measuring scale. Roll each piece of dough into a neat ball. Place the balls 3 inches apart on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Cover loosely with a damp cloth. Let rise in a warm place until doubled for 30 minutes. While the dough is rising, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's been 30 minutes. The rolls are ready. Now we're gonna go ahead and mix together egg and water, then brush rolls with glaze. For added sweetness, sprinkle granulated sugar over tops of rolls after brushing with glaze. I like mine plain, guys. Bake rolls until they're golden brown for 15 to 20 minutes. The rolls are out of the oven. Transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. It smells so good in here, guys. If you are enjoying this video so far, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and your family. Guys, let me show you how these rolls look, guys. They are soft, fluffy, buttery. Oh, guys, they taste so good. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey. Bye, my honeys.